Hey y'all, it's Natalie and I am here with another unboxing for y'all. I have the fall cherry box, the subscription box from A Cherry on Top. So I want to unbox this for you guys and let you see what's inside because we're still within the subscription period and you don't want to miss this one. They're so good, and honestly, they just keep getting better every quarter. When they do a new one, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're getting so good at this. And this time, they have, drumroll, they have exclusives. We have exclusive products that you can only get by subscribing to this, so that's super fun. Don't ask me what they are. No, I'm just kidding. I think I'll know. But, so just a quick recap. Cherry subscription box. You're not tied in. You can cancel anytime. It's free domestic shipping. I'm sorry. It's $50 and you get at least $100 worth of products, $100+ worth of full-size products. Shipping is included domestically for the US, and subscribe before or by the 25th of this month, August, to get the fall box. And so they're quarterly. So there'll be a winter box, I guess, in November, probably. So that's how that works. So I will put a link down below with my affiliate link if you would like to subscribe. It's a good one. It was so good last month, and you can scroll back and see like what the summer one was like. And then this one again, it's the fall or autumn one. So these, we'll talk about those in a minute. Let's just like open this up. I forget. I'm sorry. I should have gotten this out beforehand, but you know, they're so good at packaging things. They're your paper products, so sometimes they're delicate. You don't want them to get wet, so they're so good about it. And they always put them on your cardboard so that your papers don't get bent. And they always, you know, wrap it in some plastic to protect from water or dirt. Mine have definitely gotten crushed before by the delivery process, but they never get, my products inside never get ruined, which is really nice. And I always reuse it. So I know that you might think, oh no, the turtles or whatever, but like I reuse these. And so, you know, we're good. We're good. That makes me feel better. Okay. So the main like idea of the box this month is the 49 Market Vintage Orchard collection. Which is gorgeous. And so I really love it because it's like the natural autumn traditional palette, but you have fruit, which I think, I mean, obviously apples for fall is like a thing, but I don't know, it's not just like a focus on leaves and things like that. So I really appreciate that. So let's look at the paper first. Again, this is Vintage Orchard by 49 Market. I love 49 Market solids. I just posted an unboxing the other day where I kind of like just got a bunch of solids for fall crafting, and so I did not get these, but they're not solid, right? Because they like look like a gingham or like a burlap. A burlap is what they look like, but also they read as a solid. Like you can totally use that in a background paper, put a lot of stuff on it, and you're not going to take away from your photos or anything because the background is wild or anything. So I love green too, so I love that. And that truly is burlap on that side. Let me adjust my lighting a little bit. That's better. So that's like a really light sage green. I love a good ochre yellow. Same kind of idea with the pattern. And then a lighter yellow pattern there. Etched botanicals. And then on this side, a really lovely burnt orange color with like some florals and leaves. Got some maples and other types of leaves with acorns. Oh, I love that one. Like a chicken, what do you call it? Chicken wire kind of thing with an orange color. This is almost like, I don't know, like a little fluorescent-y color. Or no, it's really interesting. So it's like yellow green, like a green apple. It's what, yeah, that's what it is. It's very much like a green apple or a pear. Yes, I see now, a pear. The pear tree, that's the name of this one. And a really nice plaid or gingham there. This one is called Festive. I like the florals. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Really like that. You got some apples, I think. I think those are apples. and some more plaid or gingham. We got some cut parts. I don't know that I've ever had cut parts from 49 Market. I like that. And then we got that same kind of chicken wire with the ochre color. Love this. Ooh, I really like this. This like brown background. I am going to have so much fun. I love fall crafting. We got married in the fall. And you know what, y'all? I've never scrapbooked my wedding. Maybe I just need to like baby steps. Just try once in a while, right? Like we will be married. Gosh, I don't even know. 18 years, I think. Is that right? Math is hard. I've brained all the brains today. Birds this side. Ooh, that's really cute. Off-white and little yellow float. Look, I did math and I can't even talk anymore, y'all. It's the public school education for you. I really like this dark brown color as well. And then another burlap. So lots of really nice papers. I mean, 49 Market, of course, their quality is amazing. Very nice and thick, super sturdy. What else you got here? This is fun. Okay, I think this is one of the exclusives. So we'll just dive into those right now. So I'm pretty sure that this is one of the exclusives from Brutus Monroe. And it says cherry tree. Get it? Because it's like for a cherry on top. I love that. It looks like it's a double stencil. So you have your trunk and you have your leaves, which I love. And you could even do your leaves in a color and then just kind of like rotate a little bit and do more leaves in different colors. Oh, I love it. So let's look over here. We have Brutus Monroe Chroma Mist, which is a liquid pigment. It is a dye-based ink in a mistable form. Golden rose is the color. I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm going to show you. And so I will say, I'm not sure if it's the same for everyone or if everyone gets a different color. But this is the color in my box. And I feel like no matter what, your color is going to be amazing. And it will coordinate with the colors in your kit and things like that. So let me know if you get this in the comments down below. I'm curious to know if your box is golden rose chroma mist or if you're a different color. So I'm not a big mister. I'm not a big mister. I'm a big dripper, splatterer, maybe a spritzer. That's interesting. Ooh, yeah. It's just like a rusty red color. I super love that. That's nice. Of course, this is like no gesso on this or anything, so don't mind it soaking in. I just wanted to show you what color it was. So it's like a really nice red apple color. Yeah. Y'all know I love some glitter. Glitter Glaze by Brutus Monroe, and this one is called Olive Orchard. And of course, my friend Sarah works with Brutus Monroe all the time, and I watch her Monday Lives, and she makes the best little cards and things. I think she made a bookmark the other day, which is super fun. And she uses this all the time, and she will leave it to dry for a full day. I will say that. But it's worth it. Look at it. So pretty. And it doesn't stink. In fact, they have a lot of products. I don't think, you know what? It might smell. They have a lot of products that actually smell really good. Like they're meant to smell good. Like their stamp cleaners and things like that. So this might be meant to. If it's not meant to be sniffed, then don't tell me. I don't want to know. It doesn't smell bad. Okay. So much fun. Thanks. Okay. I'm gonna operate. My desk is a mess. Okay. Well, this is sitting here. 49 Makeup Wildflowers, and this is in the celery color, which to me celery would be like a really light green. It is probably a really light green, but it's almost like so light that it's just a cream. Super fun. Love those. Bulky for a scrapbook page, which I don't typically mind that, but also really great for home decor, which is super fun, right? Oh my gosh, I love 49 Market so much. There's so many goodies in here. Y'all, this is such a good deal. For $50, this is 1,000,000% such a good bargain. I'm going to have to speed it up because I'm already at almost 10 minutes and we have so much stuff to get through. I haven't gotten one of these packs of die cuts from 49 Market in a long time because I always do the laser cut, but I love these and they're always so full. That's the thing. It's they will last you forever and you can do all that yummy, luscious layering that you see people do because you're not going to run out. You have so many, you'll run out eventually, I guess. I've never run out. Vintage Orchard ephemera bits. So these are 96 ephemera bits. We're not going to go through all of them, obviously, but you have a lovely smattering of the color palette. So you have the yellow, the green, the red, the brown, and then just lots of really great words. You got some wood grain on there, which is nice. Lots of different shapes, different sizes. I just really appreciate it. Even layering pieces, right? So they have just like different pieces that are just like a vintage vibe, and then you have like a frame, and then you can have another frame, and you can just like layer and pile them up with so much goodness, right? So you just have like pieces that are like from a book, you know, with tabs and things like that. You have these little like envelope things, so you can use them like this, or you can literally, they have like foldy bits, so you can literally fold them and put them into a folio or something, put them into a mini album and stuff things behind them. I've used them to hold journaling or photos or tags before. So you got some of those, some like library cards, ledger kind of things, tags, if I didn't already say tags, and just their ephemera packs are just so lovely and just chock full. Like I said, great. Love it. Will last you for a lovely long time. So we got a bunch of family photos made last year in the fall. So, I mean, if you were just doing a whole album of like your family photos that you got taken by a professional photographer, this cherry box would work perfectly for that, because you literally have more than you could use probably for a whole, however many photos you paid for, right? So this is the chipboard set, and there's 59 pieces in that. So, I mean, very similar to those, but like the words are smaller, and then less words. There's just like a lot more images. They're very thoughtful in their things, right? So like they're not really duplicative, which I really appreciate. So like, yeah, you might have something in here that says thankful, and you might have something over here that says thankful, but they're very different in size and shape and color and things like that. And then over here is a lot more icons, the fruits and the animals, like the butterflies and the birds, and then some leaves and stuff like that. Really lovely. I like it. So delicious. Fall vibes. I just really love it. It's so nice. And I love to mention on my page too. Okay. This is fun. I don't think I've ever had this from 49er Market. Vintage Orchard Wishing Bubbles and Bubbles. So it's epoxy coated stickers, and they're very tiny. So think like enamel dots, I guess. And then also just like hearts. These are really cute. And little bees and florals, like, fruits, and a couple birds, a couple leaves, and a few words. And then, oh, what's this? So we have washi tape sheets. Another thing from 49er Market that I've never had before. That's fun. Let's see what this is about. Let's open this up. This is such a good box, you guys. Oh my gosh, there's like one over here that like got away from me, and so good. Okay, so they're like the transparent washi, of course, and then they are already cut. You just pull them off. So it's like washi tape, but a little seam, so it's like a strip. And then these, I can't tell. Are they cut? Yeah, they're cut very lightly. So it's like washi stickers. Ooh, I love it. Love that. That's super cute. So you get 2 sheets of that. Let's see, this one, it might be one solid sheet, which is really beautiful and so interesting. How good would that be? Yeah, this is a solid sheet, which is awesome. How beautiful would that be on like an album cover or something? I think that it would stick really well, and you probably wouldn't have to worry about it coming up at all. So this one got away from me over here. I'm not going to open this, but this is chipboard as well. And it is a bunch of words. So it goes with those chipboards over here, but they're like bigger words, so you can make your titles. Festival, fabulous, delightful, moments, splendid, together, plentiful, friends, gather, fall. Love it. And then smaller words too. Love that. 42 pieces of that. But wait, there's more. It's such a good box, you guys. I say the best for last, because these are always my favorite. I always, on almost every 49er Market collection, I get the rub-on transfers, and I get the laser cuts. And a lot of times they have different laser cuts. Like they'll have different packs. Like they'll have a floral pack, or they'll have, I don't know, something else like bugs or something like that. So I don't know if they have other packs with this collection, but we get the laser cut wildflowers, which is always going to be my favorite. The wildflowers or the florals are always going to be the best laser cuts. They're all great, but they're always going to be the best in florals and foliage. So these are the rub-ons. So you get 3 pages of those. So you have lovely leaves and then a few of those little palette things that kind of came in that sherbet collection. And then, oh, some gorgeous fruit. I don't know why I can't think of the word fruit today. Y'all, I did not sleep last night at all. And then, like, today was just a lot at work. My brain is done. But you have insects on there, little bees too. I love bees. And then I'm not a big bird girl, but, you know, I can appreciate a bird on a page. I'm scared of birds. But, anyway, I do like these. And I can appreciate a good, like, cute bird, because, like, honestly, that's just like a thing that happens when you get old, huh? You're like, look at that little bird, look at its little red breast. Oh my goodness. So there's birds and fruits and butterflies and bees. So cute. Okay, real quick. Oh my gosh, it's so long, but it's so good. And that's just how, and I didn't even look through all the different effects, but that's just how good it is, right? It's just how amazing the box is. Again, $50 to subscribe. To guarantee your box, get on there and subscribe before the 25th. This is going up on the 22nd, so you still have a few days. And you can get it one after, but it's not guaranteed. And then they'll start shipping in September, so you only have to wait about like 5 days ago. They're really good at shipping, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so you have the laser cuts, and if you've never had these, like, they don't have a wider on them, and they're just very delicate, and you do have to be a little bit careful pulling them out through, but they're so gorgeous, and I love to pop them up and, like, fold the little leaves over, and they're just gorgeous. So kind of the same thing. You got lots of foliage, you got lots of fruits, you got some birds and butterflies, and so you get two, like, folded over pieces of that. And then they always have, like, the backing sheets and everything, which are great because you can use them as cut-aparts. So it tells you what's inside, but it also just, like, you can use it, right? Again, little wagon, pile of leaves. Love it. All right, I'm going to put all the info you need down below. Please let me know if you have any questions. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. Bye, y'all.